Hello teammates, welcome back. Since you know that, you know what these, they are screws. Make your bike fast and tight and they make your bike go fast and make sure your bike is so safe and strong. See, this is strong. And this is my bell brakes and brakes. This is the, wait, what brake is this? Front. This is the front brake, this is the back brake. So, front, back. I'll show you. Back. That. See? Front brake, back brake. And these are my gears. Bye-bye, teammates. Have a good day learning how to fix your bikes and going on. Oh, when we're up to a Sheila, I'll tell you something, okay? When we're on a Sheila. So, bye. Good job. Fix your bike and remember to have these.